Other leg.
No, that's your first graph, and your second graph is like this. It's positive. Well, yeah, but it's going to be positive on that. Right. Yeah, and then your last one's going to be